everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic Saturday so far. Today we're going to take a look at this 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Wheelies Wheeler. Say that twice, but it does have the black clear coat exterior. And this isn't any normal Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Wheelies Wheeler. It does have the quick order package 24K Wheelies Wheeler. It does include a couple of different other things with that. We'll get to that in just a moment. But it does also have the connectivity group. We're going to go ahead and walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of is part of that quick order package of the 24K Willys Wheeler. And it is this beautiful black grille piece cover that does cover that black grille insert. As I come over here to the side, you are going to see the ring halogen headlights with the running halogen fog lights there in the front, as well as those black powder coated tow hooks. And if I take a quick peek over here on the side of the hood, you are going to have that Willys decal right there on the side as well. Making our way over here to the side, let's go ahead and take a look at these wheels and tires. As part of that quick order package, you are going to have beautiful black high gloss 17-inch wheels. And you also are going to have the 265/70 like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. As we come over here to the side, you are going to take notice of the running boards for your added convenience of getting in and out of the vehicle. While we're over here, let's go ahead and take a peek at this interior. As you can see, it is going to come with a gorgeous black premium cloth interior. And as we turn around to the dash, you are going to have that black dash finish up top with that staying consistent down on your glove box. We'll get to the glove box in just a moment. We're going to grab the inspection sheet out for you guys. But before I do that, I just want to point out that you are going to have some of this almost gunmetal gray trim running through the middle, as well as coating all of your air vents. But like I said, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. So on this specific Jeep Wrangler, your tire depths are going to be 16 and 32 seconds all the way around. Brakes in front are going to be 15 and 32 seconds, with your rear brakes being 14 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat, that premium black cloth interior is going to stay consistent back here as well. You are going to have all-weather line floor mats with that beautiful rugged design. And if you take a quick look here between the driver and passenger seat, you are going to have two cup holders. Now coming around to the rear, before we go ahead and take a look at a couple of different things back here, I would like to mention it does have the performance suspension as well as the anti-spin locking rear differential with a 3.73 rear differential ratio. As you can see, it is going to have the patented fifth wheel back here. That is the beautiful high gloss black rim, 17-inch rim there. If we take a peek down here at the bottom, you are going to have a singular black powder coated tow hook, as well as a backup camera, so don't worry about backing up into anything. While we're back here, let's go ahead and take a look at this trunk size. It is going to come with plenty of room back here to haul groceries or luggage on long trips or anything you guys can possibly think of. Making our way to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it is going to come with manual locks, manual window adjustments, and manual seat adjustments. Now that we're inside, let's go ahead and start it up for you guys. As you can see, you get a nice little start up there on your middle display. But I want you guys to also take notice that this vehicle is going to come with just under 89,000 miles. And there are plenty of features here on the interior, so let's go ahead and show you guys every single one of those. Now, if we take a look here at the left knob behind your steering wheel, you are going to have all of your headlight adjustments, as well as your cruise control button at the end, and your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side is going to be your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. The left side of your steering wheel is going to be all of your touch and talk, as well as your middle display. And on the right side, you're going to have all of your cruise control options. Coming here over to the middle, you are going to have a 6.5 touchscreen LCD display, and it does come equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, it does have a backup camera as well. Now, as I mentioned previously, it does have that connectivity group, which does give you access to that Sirius XM and the Bluetooth, and it is the Uconnect display. If we come right below that, you are going to have a small storage compartment in the middle, right above the climate control at the touch of your fingertips. If we come down and look even further, you are going to have a 12-volt plug-in, your traction control, your hill start assist, and your four-ways. Your typical netting storage there in the front. All of your different drive modes are going to be controlled with this little knob here. You are going to have your 2 high, 4 low, and your neutral. Your beautiful shifter knob here with your options for manual shifting. Your parking brake, 2 cup holders, and a 2-part storage console. So if we go ahead and hold the right button, you are going to get a top smaller storage compartment. And then holding the left one, you are going to have a much deeper one with a 12-volt plug-in. Up top, you are going to have the 3-piece hard top edition for easy access for taking your roof off. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 3.6-liter V6 engine with 285 horsepower. And you also take notice that our engine bay is coming extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have just a couple of your very small typical stone chips. Like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. Showing you guys every single rim and tire as well. This front passenger side tire is in extremely good condition. Coming back down along the body, you are going to have some slight scratches up top here, as well as some slight discoloration here on your mirrors. Other than that, on this side of the body is extremely clean. No scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents along the body. All of the running boards are in great condition as well. This rear passenger side tire, extremely good condition there. Coming around to the rear, you are going to have just a couple of small paint chips here on your rooftop. And then finally, coming down the driver's side of the body, as you guys can see, of this body is extremely good condition. No scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents. It was extremely well taken care of. This rear driver's side tire is also in extremely good condition, as well as that rim. No curb rash on any rim. It's an extremely clean and very well maintained 2016. That's all I have for you guys today on this beautiful 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Willy's Wheeler. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224. Options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollsburg, PA. If you want to see more amazing vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe and make sure to push notifications on as well. Have an awesome Sunday, guys.